Hi guys, this is Susan from tlivef.com. Today we're gonna learn about hangul. Are you ready? Let's go! So what is hangul? A lot of you guys probably already know, but let's look at it. Hangul is the writing system that Korean people use, just like the alphabet in English. I had people asking me,
Isn't Korean same as Chinese or Japanese?
can you guess what the answer is? No! Even though throughout the history Korea was influenced by China and Japan a lot because of the geological aspects, but still, Chinese people use Chinese characters, Japanese people use Japanese characters, and Korean people use Korean characters. Let's look at a brief history. In 15th century, King Sejong invented Korean writing system, aka Hangul. Wait, then what about before 1500s? Back then, Korean people only had their spoken language, which is Korean, and they did not have a writing system or letters to write them. That's kind of weird, huh? So back in the days, Korean people spoke Korean to each other, but all the written materials such as books, formal announcements, and etc. were actually written in Chinese characters. So think of it this way. You can talk to people just fine speaking Korean, but unless you study Chinese characters, you cannot read or write. That doesn't really sound that convenient. So King Sejong decided to make a system to write Korean for Korean people, and it's called Hunminjeongeum. Long story short, because of King Sejong, even the working class people were able to learn Korean letters, aka Hangul, to read and write the language. So again, Hangul is a writing system that Korean people use, aka Korean alphabet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! 다음에 봐요.